नमस्ते फ्रेंड्स, आज हम बना रहे हैं आटे के बर्गर बंस। Let's start with the recipe. First, mix vinegar with milk. Set aside until it curdles. Take atta in a bowl. Add salt, sugar, and instant yeast. Mix it well. Add curdled milk and mix it. Add room temperature butter and make the dough. Now transfer the dough to the platform. Knead it for 3-4 minutes by push and pull method. Do not add extra atta. Make a atta ball and keep it in a greased container. Coat the dough with the oil. Cover with a cling and rest for 40 minutes to 1 hour or till the dough doubles in size. Our dough has doubled and see the texture. Transfer to platform. Divide into 4-5 balls depending on the size you want. Place the balls on a greased baking tray. Brush it with milk. Put some dill seeds on it and rest it for another 20 minutes. See, our buns have risen. Now, bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. See, our buns are ready. Buns are so soft and look at the texture. Our healthy homemade burger buns are ready.